What if I told you that soon you could get high-speed internet in the middle of a desert, or deep in a Himalayan village, all without a single cable? Yes, it's real. Starlink, Elon Musk's satellite internet project, is officially coming to India. After months of speculation, the Indian government has finally granted SpaceX the license to operate Starlink as an internet service provider. This is a major step in revolutionizing how we access the internet, especially in places where traditional broadband and fiber networks still can't reach. So what exactly is Starlink? It's a satellite-based internet service that uses thousands of small satellites orbiting low in Earth's atmosphere, called LEO or low Earth orbit satellites. These satellites beam internet directly to a dish installed at your home, office, or anywhere you need. The best part? No underground cables, no mobile towers, just direct wireless internet from space. Starlink has already launched in more than 60 countries. Users in the United States, Canada, Europe, and parts of Africa are already experiencing internet speeds of 100 Mbps or more in remote areas. And now, India is next. According to recent announcements, Starlink is expected to begin service in India by late 2025 or early 2026. To get started, you'll need a Starlink kit, which includes a small satellite dish and a Wi-Fi router. The estimated cost is around 33,000 rupees for the hardware, and the monthly subscription could range from 840 to 3,000 rupees, depending on the speed and plan. By the way, Starlink is already used in over 60 countries, helping people stream, game, and work, even in the wild. Now, why is this a big deal for India? Because nearly 50% of rural India still struggles with poor internet connectivity or, honestly, has none at all. Starlink could change that completely. It can provide reliable internet to remote schools, health centers, farmers, tribal communities, border villages, pretty much anywhere that traditional companies find too expensive to reach. Just imagine, online education reaching every student, telemedicine in remote areas, or even real-time weather updates for farmers. This isn't just tech, it's transformation. Of course, there are a few concerns too. Starlink internet can be affected by weather, like heavy rain or thick clouds may disrupt the signal. The price point may also be just too high for low-income rural households. And yeah, there will definitely be a need for local support to help people install and understand the system. Still, this could be a massive step in making digital India a reality for everyone, not just metro cities. So the big question, would you try Starlink in your area? Is this the future of internet in India or just a luxury service for the elite? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you like this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More space tech updates simplified only here.